Hi guys, so today's lesson is going to be on percentage increase and decrease without a calculator. Now, I've done a video on how to find a percentage of amount. You need to know that before you do this lesson. So guys, go on my YouTube channel, Quick Maths Help. If you don't know how to find a percentage of an amount, watch that video and then come back to this video. Okay, so we have a question here. So the learning objective, guys, we're going to be able to increase or decrease an amount by a percentage. So for example, if I say to you, the price of bread has increased by 20%, it was £1 before, you will be able to do that after this lesson. Or if I said to you, I bought a car for £10,000, the value of it decreased by 15% over the year. How much is it worth now? So these kind of questions you'll be able to do without a calculator after this lesson. So let's look at the first question, guys. So the first question says increase £300 by 70%. Now the first thing I'll have to do is find 70% of 300. So from yesterday's lesson, guys, we can find 70% by finding 10% first. So 10% just divide by 10. So 300 divided by 10 equals 30. So 10% is 30. So if 10% is 30, 70%, all I need to do is multiply by 7. So 30 times 7 will be 210. Okay. So 70% of £300 is £210. Now the question says increase. So my last step is I will do 300, the original amount, plus, because it says increase, the 70% which I worked out was 210. And that will give me my final answer. So 300 plus 210 gives me £510. Okay, so that will be the answer to this question. Brilliant. Now let's move on to decrease. It's exactly the same thing, but instead, on the last step, instead of adding, we're going to subtract. So first thing I need to do is find 15% of 220. Now to find 15%, I can find 10% first. So 10% just divide by 10. So 220 divided by 10 gives me 22. Now to find 5%, once I've got 10%, it's really easy, because I say to myself, how do I go from 10 to 5? I just divide by 2. So all I need to do is divide this by 2. 22 divided by 2 equals 11. Now to get 15%, guys, I've got 10%, I've got 5%. All I need to do is add them two up. So 10 and 5 is 15%. 22 plus 11 gives me 33. So I've worked out 15% of 220, which is 33. Now to finish the question, all I'm going to do is 220. Because it says decrease, I'm now going to subtract the 15% that I found. 220 take away 33, which will give me 187. Okay, so that's the lesson for today, guys. We're going to do percentage increase and decrease using multipliers tomorrow. Okay.